Hi guys, Dirk here. Today this is a bit of an unusual video because one of my YouTube friends, Cristoforo, asked me to reveal my setup from my latest video on which I reviewed the Inky GC60. And this is a great opportunity for me to show you how you can create really interesting product videos without breaking the bank. As far as my lighting setup goes, I have the Pseudophoto P100 RGB as my key light. For product videos, I use the Relight Ninja 300 with a softbox, the VP65. In my background, I have the Pixel P80 and on the other side the Viltrox H18. To make rotating shots for product videos, I have this turntable that I purchased on Amazon long time ago and it serves me very well. I don't even know what brand it is, but I'll definitely leave a link in the description below. On average, the attention span of YouTube viewers is not too great, so you better have something moving or something changing every few seconds, otherwise they will turn off the video really fast, and I learned it the hard way. But if you can make this a bit more interesting and get some motion involved, then people will likely keep watching. So in order to make it more interesting, well, there are expensive solutions out there like this rotating table here on Amazon for $450, and if money doesn't matter, then by any means go ahead and buy it. I can highly recommend it, and the footage you can create from it is amazing. But if you're on a budget like me, then you have to be a bit more innovative. I bought this inexpensive dolly on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. I added a ball head on which I mounted my camera. You can adjust the axles of the dolly in an angle so the camera can go in a certain circle around an object. You just have to try out a little bit which angle you need in order to keep the object centered or in focus. What's always very helpful is to add a second dimension, a certain layer in the background. That's why I put the packaging, the box of the object that I'm reviewing in the back, so people can see that something is moving. There are some challenges that come with this dolly. You should avoid any jittery, shaky movements and try to go very slow and smooth. Secondly, if you have wild animals in your home like me, then they might stop you from filming. Okay. And then problem number 3. You need to get creative in order to get your subject in the right height and adjust it to your camera, since the camera mounted on this dolly is not height adjustable. So I used a tripod. I mounted my subjects on this tripod that was height adjustable, and I put this behind the table that I was using for my dolly. But after overcoming these obstacles, you can create amazing footage and you can make it so much more interesting, giving it some motion and keep the attention span from your audience. I hope this video helped you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Maybe you have other ideas what else to do. I'm open. Alright, thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, stay safe and take care. Bye for now.